Today we'll start with the Mesolithic age, which is also known as the Middle Stone Age. In this age, the stone tools which were used were smaller in size compared to the tools used in the Paleolithic age. This reduction in size happened when the bigger stones were struck with strong stones and breaking them into smaller pieces, and these are called microliths, or and these microliths are used as knives, as sickles, and usually they are not more than 5 centimeters in size, and these are usually have various shapes and sizes. Now, from the use of these stone tools for hunting, bows and arrows also came to be used. Now, as soon as the bow and arrow came into use, the mode of hunting also changed. Earlier in the Paleolithic age, the men used to attack the animal in groups from striking range, whereas now with the use of bow and arrow, the animal is attacked and killed from a distance, because because the arrow travels to a larger distance than just throwing stones. During this age, we find also the use of different stones like quartz, agate, chert, etc. And with the coming of these new tools and also improved technology, the the men of the Mesolithic age gained more confidence and have greater power now, or greater control over the environment than their predecessors. However, in this age, we also find that the river pebbles which were used earlier now are there's a transition from the use of these river pebbles to new stones which are found in forests and in hills. So there is a shift in settlement here from the riverine areas to the drier uplands to be saved from the heavy monsoon floods. And so we here find a gradual transition from hunting gathering to domesticating animals, then the use of wild grains, and also horticulture. And we see some kind of primitive cultivation at this stage. And because of these increase in the number and pattern of activities, we see longer duration of settlement in one place, unlike the more nomadic kind of settlement in earlier times. And then we find that from the rock shelters, there is now improvement in even the place of dwelling. Crude huts are also built, and they serve as they provide shelter to the people of this period. Now, Mesolithic remains are found in many parts of northern and western India, like Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and even Bihar. There are also different kinds of evidence found, such as rubbing stones. That means when two stones are used to rub together to produce a fire, then there is evidence of pottery. There is evidence of the existence of storage bins and also primitive querns. Querns mean a kind of hand mill, and which is also the purpose of which is grinding. Then the remains of animal bones show that domestication of animals was existent in those times, and these animal bones were of deer, boar, ostrich, sheep, and goats. Then there are also evidence of burial sites. In these burial sites, the body of a person is buried, and along with the body some other items were also buried, and this is an indication of a kind of belief in an afterlife. And these burial sites were found mainly in the habitation areas so that they are protected from encroachment and by encroachment by wild animals. There were also double burials at places. And the skeletal remains show that osteoarthritis was very common among the people of those age. And it has been determined that perhaps the lifespan of these people was not much. It was from usually between 15 to 40 years of age. I'll stop here for today. Thank you.